Welcome to our channel. In this video, we will guide you through the process of logging into Bank of America online banking quickly and easily. Follow these simple steps to access your account securely. Step 1. Open your browser. Begin by launching your preferred web browser on your computer or mobile device. Make sure you're connected to the internet. Step 2. Go to the Bank of America website. In the search bar, type in the official Bank of America website URL, www.bankofamerica.com. Press Enter to navigate to the home page. Step 3. Locate the sign-in area. Once you are on the Bank of America homepage, look for the Sign In button at the top right corner of the page. Click on it to proceed. Step 4. Enter your user ID. You will be directed to the login page. Here, enter your user ID in the appropriate field. Make sure there are no typos, as this will affect your ability to log in. Step 5. Enter your password. Next, input your password in the designated field. Again, make sure your information is correct to avoid login issues. Step 6. Choose Sign In. After entering your user ID and password, click on the Sign In button below the input fields. This will take you to your online banking dashboard. Step 7. Enable Remember Me. Optional. If you use a personal device and wish to streamline future logins, you can check the Remember Me box. This will save your user ID for quicker access next time. Step 8. Trouble logging in. If you encounter issues while logging in, click on the Forgot ID Password link for assistance in recovering your credentials. Thank you for following these steps to access Bank of America online banking. We hope you found this guide helpful. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video for more useful content.